Hello, my name is Luis Gabriel Melendez Góngora. I am 24 years old. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I studied at the UNAD UNAD. I work as an administrative assistant. In my free time, I like listening to music, watching movies, and spending time with my family. Every day I wake at 6 o'clock in the morning. I take a shower and get ready for work. Then I had breakfast at home. After that, I go to work. I work in a office and I use a computer every day. I answer emails and helps people. In the afternoon, I study and do my homework. Sometimes I listen to music or watch videos. At night, I had dinner with my family. Then I watch TV and I go to sleep. With my family, I usually watch movies on weekends. Sometimes we go out to eat the together or visit other family members. Thank you very much.